welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Nicolle. How you doing? Welcome. I do a bunch of makeup videos. Also do vlogs, but now I'm doing them on my second channel, so Nicolle ZN Vlogs. Link will always be in the description box. And yeah, you kind of get to see my personality, my vibe, what I like, more who I am. In those videos, it's a little bit hard to shine through these, but I do try to be myself. Even if it's sometimes just in the interest. I am a bit of a rambly person, and I talk a lot, at least to you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna stop being awkward and just let you watch this video. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so we're going to start with soap brows, and you know, I love this stuff. It's soap for your brows, and I just spritz it with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and with a spoolie I just brush my hairs upwards and in the shape that I want it to go in. Okay, I'm making sense, English, yeah. They have a tendency to go down, so I do brush them upwards as much as I can and try to make them stick to my skin, so that's why I'm grabbing this brush, and it's just like a comb for your hair, your brow hairs, or your eyelashes. So I just get it from DM or Superdrug or something like that. I'm not sure. I'll check it out, but check the description box. I might find it there. But yeah, anyway, for brows, as usual, I'm going to use with the go-to, the classic, the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. You guys know how it is, you know the drill. I clean up the bottom of the brow, get that nice and neat, and then I do hair-like strokes, and I just fill it in quite messily, not gonna lie, and then I go in with the same spoolie that I used with the soap. Frankly, I should use a clean one so it's not as messy, but yeah, obviously I had to go in with a clean makeup wipe and tidy up the edges because it was a tad bit too messy for my liking, so I just, yeah, use a clean spoolie, don't do the same thing. Anyway, to carve under my brows and prime my lids, I use the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5. And I just kind of carve out my brow, and then with a big fluffy brush by Morphe, it's the E27 brush. I love this to blend eye primers and blend it onto my skin. I absolutely love this. You just see me sing along to Greatest Showman because honestly I had no idea what I was doing. I just wanted to play with makeup. I had two shades that I wanted to use, and I just sat down, watched the film. Hydrate yourself. How cute is this bottle? Keeps your water cold and hot. Don't forget to hydrate yourself, guys. But yeah, essentially I'm just using this palette. It's the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Vault. I don't remember the name of this palette, you guys, but it's the one that has this yellow and the forest green. So yeah, I'll just link it in the description box if you want to use it. I don't use a gazillion palettes for this look. Essentially it's just this one, but I felt very autumnal, so yeah. Anyway, I wanted to go for this halo look, so that's why I applied the yellow on the outer corners. I had no idea what I was doing. I just wanted to play along, and then I found the Mmmitchell photo that I was talking about in the intro, and then I kind of decided to follow that after this. But yeah, essentially I just wanted to do this kind of shade combination and then wing it out and make it a lot more dramatic. So that's what I'm doing there, just blending everything out at the top part, because I am going to cut the crease and I decided to go for that whole thing. So I'm just trying to blend it as best I can, and just I don't really care about the bottom anymore because I'm gonna do a cut crease after all. So I'm just extending the mustard yellow shade and trying to wing it out a little bit more, blend it into the green, and then I do the little Vaseline trick with the cotton bud, and I cut the crease. So I just kind of do the shape, apply it, and then I start kind of with a clean one, of course. I start dragging it and cutting the crease, removing it. It works like a charm every single time. So yeah, I would actually recommend the pointed cosmetic applicators, not just any cotton bud, but any cotton bud works. I just wanted to show you. And then I just go back in with the P. Louise base and carve that ish out. I did leave a little bit of yellow because I did want the yellow effect under it, and it was already there, so I was like, might as well. So I left it there, curved it to the gods. I carved my cut crease, and I extended it all the way to my hairline, and then using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette just for that bone shade, because I haven't found any bone shade, cream shade, because it's not white, it's an off-white shade. It works so well, so I really like that one, and I just pat it all over the P. Louise base to set it. I think I should have set it with a sponge a little bit more closer to the cut crease, the crease was cut, because it did transfer a little bit after a while of me blinking, but yeah, that was my bad. And I didn't really mind, so I just did that. Anyway, for the bottom bit, like I said, I did want the mustardy look, so I wanted to blend that out anyway, because I'm not going to apply foundation there. I just wanted to blend it and make it seem a little bit more seamless. And then for this bit, I decided to go for like I said, from the Mmmitchell photo, I decided to go for this gold liner, so I just grabbed the shade Coin, that's what I remember from the palette, and I just flaked a little bit off with a spatula and then used the Inglot Duraline to create kind of like a liner type of situation, but the brush was a little bit too thick for the inner corner, so I just kept on thickening it out, so that's where I messed up. I should have actually used one of, like, you know, the miniature art pencils. They work a lot better than like regular liner pencils. Well, pencils. Brushes, why am I saying pencils? Brushes compared to like makeup brushes, so yeah. If you need a very thin one, try to look for paint brushes, miniature ones. Anyway, I decided to go for like a little bit of an inside cat eye situation, very thin liner, which is a first for me. And then I grabbed my very brand new mascara, the Lash Sensational Waterproof. You know how it is. I don't gravitate to anything else. Like, I came back to it, guys. Like, let's be real. I did grab a brown one though for like an everyday makeup type of thing, and it does work a lot better than the Bambi one from L'Oreal. Anyway, for the liner, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Power Pencil in the shade Warm Brown, and I just apply it both in the waterline and the lower lash line. Then I'm just chatting to one of my friends. I was on a call at the end of this video, so yeah. Anyway, I did my skin off camera because, like, you know, just basic boring old shiz, and then I just blended that mustard bit onto the skin, and then because I did use the warm brown, I wanted to use like a burgundy or an orange, but I just went for brown. I felt like the brown was the vibe. Clearly I was inspired by the LED lights from behind me. But yeah, I decided to use the Kate Moss lipstick. I'll link it down below if I can find it, but I just wanted to use this kind of like pinky peachy nude, which is very light and I haven't used for a long time, and I haven't used a bullet lipstick for a very, very long time, so yeah. Then I topped it off with the Dior Lip Maximizer, just the pink one, the first shade. And that's basically the look done. I mean, I thought I would apply a little bit of concealer to lighten it up, but I was like, nah, it looks way better without it. So yeah, I just set my face and left it how it was. And this is a finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.
So this is the finished look. I hope you like this video. Hope you like the look. I'm sorry about the F-ups, but I had some fun. I just sat down, wanted to do, like, had a palette in mind. I did want to use a mustard. I did want to use a forest green matte. Did not want to use shimmers. And then I saw this Mmmitchell post and I really liked it, so this is what came out. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and it helps me out even more if you comment and subscribe. And if you subscribe, don't forget to turn the notifications on, because, you know, I realized that, like, when you click on notifications though, you gotta click on all of the notifications, and people don't get notified when my video comes out. Sometimes I don't even see my Instagram story. That's where I share it. So I don't know where you see my videos, but if you're seeing this and you're all the way back here, I really appreciate you and your time. And I don't know how you found this video, but please let me know in the comments how you found me, if you like this video. Any video suggestions? Do you like my vibe? Do you not like my vibe? You're like, I don't like to be weird. No, honestly, if you don't like me, just click off the video. Plain and simple. You wouldn't have watched till the end if you didn't like me for this video. So yeah, I know you like me. You special. I like you too. So, you know, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Stay tuned. There's a lot of content coming. Very exciting. Super exciting. And don't forget to check out my vloggity vlogs. The ones on this channel and my second channel. That's where I do like my recent vlogs. Don't know what that was. Anyway, bye guys!